people don't have money to buy food and they're dying of hunger. There's many people on the streets, many children, and there's no medicines for people who's ill, so they have to go to another countries to get it.
So it's when you see that people support that idea and it's disappointed. And in a way, because people is suffering there, it made you feel angry sometimes, but at the same time you understand that they don't know the truth.
I'll say to these people, like, why don't they go to Venezuela? Why don't they investigate a bit further,
We're only asking is that take the chance to look it up what happened. We want your support to make that change possible.
On behalf of the Fianna Fáil party, I want to send a message of solidarity to the people of Venezuela, that we support you and that we are working to try and help you. And the Irish public were rightly disgusted when they saw an Irish political party travel to Venezuela to face such a corrupt regime.